All right, check it out. This is my new rain chain. You can buy these at most stores, like Canadian Tire, even London Drugs here in Canada. And they are needed in our area because I have lots of pine trees and they plug all my eaves. So this way, I put these together with a chain. I take the downspout off and put in like a V at the top. Just a piece of metal, got a bent piece of metal, and you put this in here. This takes its place, and then you anchor it at the bottom. I'll show you what I got out there. It's going to be winter, but tomorrow is +7. It's going to be raining, so that's what we deal with here. All right, here we go. It's kind of weird hanging a rain chain in a snowstorm. Well, it's not a storm. It's snow today. A little unusual for this time of year, but hey. So up there, just a bent piece. I'll use a connector to connect it to there and then down to here. Well, let's go get the chain. All right, hopefully my measuring was correct. Up we go. Oh, it's good. Yeah, I don't like heights. All right. So that connects onto there, like so. And yet the water will follow that, because water is sticky. It likes to cling to stuff. And the pine needles can just fall out, which is great. I'm looking for. Because the pine needles just plug everything. So I'm up there all the time, redoing it all the time. And there you have it. I'll carbine the bottom as well. I gotta dig this into the ground, but not while it's frozen. So right now I'll just connect this with this. So we'll hold it there for now. And there it is. And there it is. That's the final product. Looks great. When it rains, it looks really cool. And best of all, no more pine needles. I'll dig that in when it thaws. So it'll be even with the ground and slightly angled. So it goes downhill. It's gonna work great. Man, it is really coming down now. Mini blizzard. So up front here, this is a finished product in our front from last year. Look at the ice. That looks awesome. And no, it's not too heavy. It's been there for over a year now. It's been way thicker than that. But yeah, it serves its purpose. No pine needles and gets rid of the water too.